Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the top 3 website for coder. If you are a coder or a freelancer, or if you want to become a coder, these websites will help you a lot. This is basically for newbie coders. So the first website is github.com. Github.com is a website, is an open source website in which you can save your codes, save your version of codes, or completely host your applications and websites. And this is very useful for coders. You can save your code, and you can easily connect it with your PC and directly send your code to your GitHub repository and etc. This will help you a lot to build your portfolio. And in coding world, GitHub is very important. If your GitHub portfolio is strong, then it will have you will have a higher chance to get hired by top companies. So the first website is GitHub. You just have to sign up through your Gmail and all thing is done. So the second website is Stack Overflow. So the if you are a newbie coder, or if you are experienced coder, no matter what, you have faced problems in your coding. So if you have to face any problem, the Stack Overflow is a Wikipedia for coders, encyclopedia for the coders. Suppose functions in JavaScript. So I click on this. So it show me about human verification, creating a 2D array from a function in JavaScript, callback function in JavaScript. So these are the questions related to this topic I mentioned, and people give answers, people give views, and I don't think so that there is any problem in the world that are not answered in Stack Overflow. This is the best website. So that's it. And the third and the last website is codeacademy.com. So if you are a newbie coder, or if you want to become a coder, then this website has the coding courses like Python, C Sharp, AI, web development, data science, computer science, web design, R, PHP, C, and you full stack engineer, front end, MERN stack, data science, iOS developer, and many more things. So this is a website for newbies to learn code. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.